Extra exercise 3. Exercise 3. Division of powers with the same base. As we see here, a to the power m over a to the power n. So we have the same base and we are doing division. So we could call it quotient of powers. Quotient of powers. In this case, we subtract the powers. M minus n. So let's do the first exercise. 7 is raised to the power 25 over 7 to the 5th power equals, as the rule tells, we subtract the powers. So the answer is 7 raised to the power 25 minus 5, which is equal to 7 to the power 20. 25 minus 5 is 20. Next, we will do C first. B to the power 12 over B to the power 9. As we have done before, we will follow this rule since we have the same base, B, B. So we should subtract the powers. So we put B raised to the power 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9. So the answer is B to the power 7. Sorry, in this case 12 minus 9 is a 3, so the answer is B to the power 3, or B cubed. Exercise E, 16 over 2. In this case, we do not have the same base. So, what should we do? If we look for 16, could we make 16 or write it in a power form of base 2? Yes, we could. So, we should decompose 16. 16 is 4 times 4. This 4 is 2 times 2. And this 4 is 2 times 2. And we write it in the power 4. We have 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. So we could write as 2 to the power 4. Next, we put 2 to the power 4 over 2 to the power 2. Then we follow the rule of quotient of powers of the same base. We have the same base, so we subtract the powers. So we put 2 raised to the power 4 minus 2, so the answer is 2 squared. Next exercise, B, we have 3 raised to the power 2, or the second power of 3, times the 5th power of 3 over the 4th power of 3. In this case, we should do the numerator first. 3 times 3, we follow the first rule. We have here the product of powers. In this case, we add the powers. So we have 3 to the power 7 over 3 to the power 4. Then, in this case, we follow this rule, quotient of powers. Then we subtract the powers. We put 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4, which is 3 cubed. Branch D, 3 squared over 9 equal 3 squared over 9 is 3 times 3. So we could write it in a power form, 3 to the power 2. Then we write 3 to the power 2. And then we follow this rule. We have division of powers with the same base, so we subtract the exponents. Then 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2, 3 to the power 0, which is equal 1.